Hi, I'm Dr. Leslie Gray, board-certified dermatologist, owner and founder of Dermatology Center of Atlanta.
And I'm Bria Cooper. I'm a licensed esthetician here and a master CoolSculpting provider.
And we both want to thank you for joining us today for our Customer Appreciation Week video. And today's topic is body sculpting in the era of the GLP-1 medications. These medications have been around for a while. I'm sure you've heard of them. There's Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, there's others, and a lot of people have lost significant weight on them.
And this video can be helpful if you've lost weight with GLP-1s or any other way, or looking to recontour your body.
Yeah, and specifically, we're going to talk about CoolSculpting and CoolTone in this video.
And they're more popular than ever right now.
So let's talk about GLP-1 and the body changes that occur because, people are losing, like we said, significant amounts of weight on these medications. They're improving their metabolic health, which is great, but it can come with new body concerns.
Absolutely, like pockets of stubborn fat that won't go away.
Yeah. You can get muscle loss on these medications and it almost will create like a skinny fat type of appearance.
You can get lack of definition and tone.
Yeah. And I think areas maybe that feel a little almost like deflated, like the abdomen, maybe the thighs or the arms.
So non-invasive body sculpting with CoolSculpting and CoolTone can help.
Yeah. And it's not a replacement tool for weight loss, but think of it more as a refinement tool.
So CoolSculpting is one of the most trusted devices in body contouring, and it uses a controlled cooling to freeze and permanently eliminate fat cells in targeted areas.
Yeah, so you can use it like in the abdomen, the flanks, which are probably the most popular areas. In our Advanced Body Sculpting Center, we're kind of almost a little famous for our midsection makeovers.
You can also treat thighs, chin, and arms.
Yeah, and what's nice is once those fat cells are gone, they're gone and they do not come back.
So we customize treatments with the applicator selection and placement. So this is an example of one of the applicators that we use mainly on the abdomen area. We will use these templates to help guide us to create your customized treatment plan. This one can go under chin or right here with a stubborn little bra fat. This is also a popular one for abdomen.
But there's a bunch of templates in there, and everybody's shaped a little bit differently. But what's nice is once we customize the treatment, 20% of the fat cells in the treated areas are permanently eliminated, and that's how you get that nice contouring result. We are fortunate in our Advanced Body Sculpting Center to have not one but two of these CoolSculpting Elite machines, which is the more advanced machine. I've actually had it done both ways, and I will say with the CoolSculpting Elite, the treatments are definitely faster, they're more comfortable, and I think you see results a little bit faster as well. We also have CoolSculpting University trained providers, and I think our estheticians have over a decade of combined experience, which is great.
And it's for sculpting, not weight loss.
Yeah, think of it as refining your silhouette. And let's talk next about CoolTone. So this is kind of the overlooked companion to CoolSculpting, and CoolTone uses magnetic muscle stimulation to strengthen, tone, and firm muscles in areas like the abdomen,
glutes, thighs,
yeah,
and back.
Yeah, and in just one 30-minute session with this guy, this is the applicator. It's applied, for instance, to your abdomen. Your muscle is going to contract thousands of times. This is far more than you can do in any type of exercise.
And over time, this builds definition and tones the area that we treat.
Yeah. For GLP-1 patients who've lost a lot of muscle mass, this can be a game changer.
So who's a good candidate? Who benefits from CoolSculpting and CoolTone, especially in the context of GLP-1?
Yeah, or any significant weight loss. I think, you still can have stubborn bulges that remain.
Mm-hmm. If you feel softer or less toned after weight loss.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you want to avoid surgery or downtime.
If you're close to your goal weight but want more definition and contour.
Yeah, but let's be clear. These treatments are not going to help things like loose skin or cellulite or stretch marks.
They're best used for refining and maintaining your results.
Yeah. So speaking of results, let's talk about results and expectations. So with CoolSculpting, you can start seeing results as soon as a few weeks, but best results are seen in about 3 months.
And most patients need about 2 to 3 sessions of CoolSculpting in the area.
Yeah, with CoolTone, you're going to, most people will do a series of 6 to 8 treatments, and those are done about twice a week, and then you'll maintain it monthly.
Best results are from combining both of the treatments. So we freeze the fat with CoolSculpting, and then we tone the muscle underneath with CoolTone.
Yeah, it's a kind of powerful 1-2 punch for those who want to feel strong, look a little bit more sculpted and feel a little bit more confident, especially after a major body change. So I want to thank you for joining us. I think that kind of gives you a little brief overview of CoolSculpting and CoolTone. If you're navigating your post GLP-1 body, or you just want more definition without surgery, I think CoolSculpting and CoolTone might be something you could be interested in.
If you want to see if you're a good candidate, we want you to come in for a complimentary CoolSculpting or CoolTone consultation.
Yeah, we'd love to see you for that. Or even better, for joining us today, we have a grand prize that you can enter to win, and that is your choice of
Free treatment of CoolSculpting in your area of choice or CoolTone package.
complete CoolTone package, complete CoolSculpting treatment area. All you have to do is click the link below to enter. Also, there are links there where you can purchase your 20% off customer appreciation night gift certificate. There's the $2,500 raffle for our Pretty in Pink basket. And there's a link there to RSVP to our live event where Bria and I will both be on Wednesday, October 22nd. So we hope to see you there. And we thank you for joining us today. Bye.